Jai Sriman O Kaika, now I am saying that I am swearing upon my Rama, and I am saying that I shall definitely give you what you want. Like this, Dasaratha Maharaju emphasized upon his stability to give her boons whatever she wants. After listening to all this, now Kaikeyi is getting ready to disclose what she wants. Kaikeyi is asking Dasaratha Maharaju. Kaikeyi is saying to Dasaratha Maharaju, saying that, "O Raja, you are swearing upon your most beloved eldest son Rama that you will give me those two boons now. Now, O Raja, whatever now that you have said, everyone in this entire universe is listening to your words. Let me describe who all listening to your words. The 33 crores of devatas are listening to your words that you said you are going to give me those two boons. O Raja, all the grahas, navagrahas listening to your words. Surya Chandras are listening to your words. Sun and moon and Akasam, the sky, the entire world, all the categories of devatas, the earth, all the devatas, whoever there in each and every home in this entire kingdom, and all the sentient and insentient, all the worlds looking at you, listening to your words. O Raja, Chandra, Aditya, Nabhaschaiva, Graharatri, Ahani Disaha. So many divine entities are listening to you. Like this, Kaikamma said to Dasaratha Maharaju, and then in front of Dasaratha Maharaju, Kaikeyi is addressing all the devatas, saying that, "Oh my dear devatas, my Prabhu, my Raja, Dasaratha Maharaja, he is Satyavan, he is very glorious man, he is very righteous man. Such my husband is now going to give me those two boons. You all please pay your attention to my husband, my Raja, Dasaratha Maharaju." Like that, Kaikamma making all the devatas also very much attentive to this scene. Then again addressing to Raja, saying that, "O Raja, I would like to recall and remind the situation where you spontaneously said that I would like to give you two boons. That situation is when you were involved in the battle of Devatas and Danavas. One of those days, in that battle time, I made myself completely awake throughout the night, and I saved your life. Today you are alive means the reason is behind that I am the one who made you be alive now. O Raja, I would like to remind those scenes, having all those situations and all those memories again and again brought back. Now you are going to give me those two boons. Now after I ask two boons, in the last minute if you say that I changed my mind, I cannot take that insult. With that insult, I will definitely immediately commit suicide. O Raja, I am alerting you." Like that, Kaikamma making Dasaratha Maharaju be ready for every possibility, whatever that is going to happen after she asks those two boons. Now she is saying that, "O Raja, Srunume Vachaha, listen to me, Pay attention to me. Be alert. Like that, she is again and again making him ready, and now about to say that I am going to ask my 2 boons. She is about to ask 2 boons now. With meditation upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama 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 Dasaratha Rama He He Raja Rama He He Raja Rama He He Sita Rama He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.